Hi, my name's Jo. Today's the final video in this series of building a solo using the first position C major scale. So the first part of the video today is designed to give you a chance to experiment and play using the licks we've covered in the last 4 videos. It will be a simple strumming track, 8 bars long, 110 BPM, and I'll be using the chords C, A minor and G. I'll play the chord sequence through twice. Enjoy. Improvisation is about creativity. It's about play and it's about experimenting, using the scales, using the licks that we build from the scales and coming up with your own ideas. So I hope you've had some fun using the licks we've covered in the last 4 videos and that you've managed to come up with something else yourself as well. The next part of the video now, I'm going to play a solo that I've come up with. It might be of interest for you to listen to and develop some ideas from that. I've mostly used the licks that we've covered in the videos, but I've added some little bits in there. But it's always interesting to see how different people interpret and respond to music. Okay, so now I'll slow the solo down and do a little bit more of a close-up so you can see what's happening. Okay, so that concludes the video series of building a solo using the first position C major scale. I hope you've enjoyed it and that you get something creative and enjoy building your own solos. I shall see you next time. Bye bye.